Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video that I uploaded about a Chevrolet Captiva, which has problems in the head gasket, and it is mixing the oil with the coolant. Someone has asked to see if the problem could be with the oil cooler. If it were a problem with the oil cooler, there would be no pressure in the coolant circuit. Here we have left the engine running for a little less than a minute, so it is still cold, and there should be no pressure in the tank. Expansion. If there is pressure in the expansion vessel, it means that the problem comes from the head gasket or the cylinder head. In this case, it was a problem with the head gasket. Watch the video. You can see how the coolant is coming out under pressure along with the oil. And as I say, this only happens when it comes into contact with the combustion chamber. As I say, the engine has been running for less than a minute, and it is still cold, but there you hear that noise, which means that there is a lot of pressure inside the cooling system. This is a simple way to diagnose a head gasket problem. In some cases, the problem does not come from the head gasket, but rather from the head gasket. It comes from the cylinder head, which for some reason, a heater or another reason, has been deformed, but in this case, the failure came only from the cylinder head gasket. As I say, if it were a problem with the oil cooler with the engine cold, there would be no pressure in the expansion vessel, because at no time would the oil and coolant come into contact with the combustion chamber. But as, in this case, it has happened that it has come into contact with the combustion chamber. Due to that failure in the cylinder head gasket, even though the engine is cold, there is pressure inside the expansion vessel, in addition to the fact that the oil has been mixed with the coolant liquid. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.